And lot number 267 is the 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator Coupe. This car has had a body-off-the-frame restoration, and it's finished in striking competition green exterior with the desirable factory black Houndstooth, Release the Houndstooth, Decor interior package with power steering and power front disc brakes. It has a 300 horsepower, 351 cubic inch overhead valve V8 engine, and it's documented by a Deluxe Marty Reports.
What a color. Absolutely gorgeous inside and out, ladies and gentlemen. Eliminator Coupe on the Cougar. And somebody give 150,000. 150,000. Get about 150. On at 150. On at 150. 150,000. Get about 150. 120. 110. 100 grand. $100,000 to 100. 100. Everybody get 100,000. Get about 100. 100. Everybody get 50,000. Let's go. 50. 50,000. Get a bit 50. On it. Everybody get 50,000. Get a bit 50. On it. 50. 50. Everybody get 50,000. Get a bit 60. Hit 50. 60. 60 again. 60,000. Get a bit 60. Now 70. Hit 60. 70. Jimbo, 70,000, get a bit 70,000, get a bit 70 on her, to get a 60, 70, hit 60,000, 70,000, Jimbo, you're out, $70,000, 70,000, 80,000, get a bit 80,000, to get a 70, 80, hit 70, 80,000, get a bit 80 on her, to get a 70, 80, 80, 80, to get again $80,000, now 82, to get a 2, 2, 2, to get a take it a bit 2, you want me 85, I got 80,000, asking 85, to get 5, 5, 5, to get 5, get a bit 85,000, 82,5, I kind of suspected that, 85,000, Jimbo's out, 85, now to get 5, 5, 5, now 7, 5, on her, to get 5, get a bit 7, 5, 85, 87, 5, 85, 87, 5, 5, 5, now to get 5, get a bit 7, 5, 85, 87, 5, on her, to get 5, get a bit 7, 5, 5, 5, now to get 5, get a bit 7, 5, look at that beautiful car, now to get 5, get a bit 7, 5, on her, to 5, 5, 5, get about 7, 5, on her, to get 5, get a bit 7, 5, 5, 5, 86, 86, 85, 86, hit 5 and 6,000, to get a second bit 6,000, 5, 6, 85, 86,000, hit 5 and 6,000, to 6 here, to get a second bit 6,000, to get a 5 bit 6,000, 5, 6, 5, 6, 85, 86 here, to get a second bit 6,000, 4, 5, 6,000, to get a 5 bit 6. Absolutely beautiful car. Could start with 100,000 and you wouldn't be wrong. 85, 86. Help yourself on a Cougar. No, to get you 6,000. Hit 5 and 6,000. Get a bit 85 and 86,000. Get a bit 6,000. No, to get you 6, 6 here. No, to get you 6. Get a bit 6,000. 85, 86. On her. No, to get you 5. Get a bit 6,000. 4, 5, 6,000. Get a bit 6,000. No, to get you 5. Get a bit $6,000. No, to get you 5. Get a bit 6 and a half. $85,000.
And lot number 268.